Hi, this is John with Dash Poncho, and we're going to do a quick install for your Dash Poncho, which will be available for your Jeep Wranglers, Gladiators, and Bronco. Installations will be very similar. Locations will be about the same. With your Dash Poncho secured behind the headrest, it's there when you need it. You know you got weather approaching. Get it ready with the marine grade canvas and heavy duty suction cups. That's where it's going to start. On the J case, there's a hole in the middle to fit the mirror. On the JLs, the mirror is straight to the frame, so it's going to be straight across. You just have to center the suction cups. Also, make sure that there's no stickers at the top of your windshield to make sure the suction cups stick the best. There is additional bungees here if you know you're going to be in tough weather. Strap these around the visor just to give you an extra line of protection. Suction cups on. The steering wheel is a slotted fit, so that way your steering wheel can be in any setting. In the center or the center console, there are hooks as well to go to the center console. So hook those on. Bungees in different locations for different applications. If you have your doors on, take this big bungee with a hook, just loop it around the mirror. Then when your door shuts, it'll cinch this tight. My application, I got fog lights on the front, so I'll loop it around there. On this, no doors, this bungee is set up for the hinge to give it a nice tight fit there. The bottom hook goes to the bottom of the dash. We'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Finish out your suction cups along the top, nice and secure. Also, when you're done, flip your visors down. That way it'll run the water straight down. Bungees. Hooked and secured. Down the middle. These days, these newer vehicles have a lot of expensive electronics under there. Like myself with my CBs, radios, Apple CarPlay, thousands of dollars. The Dash Poncho investment, you're gonna secure those expensive pieces from the elements. Less than a minute install to save you thousands of dollars. If you have any other questions, go to dashponcho.com. We'll be glad to answer anything for you. I've learned the best way to put your Dash Poncho back in its bag is to do the initial half fold, and then when you have the steering wheel cup portion of it aimed out, start with the bungee side, flip it in about halfway, and then fold over, so that way you got a nice straight line all the way down. Get a couple rolls in, just kind of help guide it down. The material is very easy to work with. And then when you're done, it's as easy as when it came out. Stick it back in the bag. And of course, the bags have nets on the end, so that way if the poncho is wet, they'll let it air out. But if your poncho is soaking wet, you may want to set it out for it, let it dry off a little bit. But with that, the poncho is back in its place, ready to go and take care of your next go round.